Hey everybody, this is Mabel Ruiz, one of the peer mentors from Pathways to Possible, and today we will be talking about how to set up our direct deposit. So the objective of this video is to show you how to set up your direct deposit in your student account in order to receive a MSU Denver refund or get your paycheck if you decide to work at MSU Denver. The first step is to go into the MSU Denver Student Hub page. You can also find this from the main MSU Denver page if you click on the red icon IMA and click on Current Student. The second step is to scroll down to Web Services and click on the Student Profile Self-Service banner icon. Once you are in your student profile, on the left-hand corner of your screen, you will see 4 little squares. When you click on it, you will see an option for students. Click on that. A list of options will appear once you click on Students. You will see an option for Student Accounts. Click on that icon. Once you have clicked on Student Accounts, you will click on the option that says Direct Deposit. You will then be redirected to this page shown on my screen. You will then scroll down to where it says Student Account Refund or Accounts Payable Deposit, and you will fill out your bank information. Then you will check the box and hit Save Changes. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps.